Waste no time, unlocking the meaning of this essential phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning session. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, waste no time. This is a commonly used expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in. Waste no time is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to act quickly or immediately, without delaying. The word waste, in this context, refers to not using something valuable efficiently. In this case, time. Therefore, when someone says, waste no time, they are emphasizing the importance of not losing any valuable time. Let's look at some examples to understand how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. After receiving the urgent email, Sarah wasted no time in responding. 2. Here, it means Sarah responded immediately to the email. 3. The firefighters wasted no time in getting to the scene of the fire. 4. This implies the firefighters quickly arrived at the fire scene without delay. These examples show that waste no time is often used to describe swift actions or responses in various situations. There are several other expressions in English that convey a similar sense of urgency or immediate action. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few. 1. Act promptly. 2. Make haste. 3. Without delay. Each of these phrases emphasizes quick action or response. And that's it for today. Remember, waste no time is all about acting swiftly and efficiently. It's a great phrase to use when you want to stress the importance of not delaying. I hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering English. Keep practicing, and don't waste any time applying what you've learned today. See you in the next video.